Whenever you need help, you can use the Customer Services portal to request technical or clinical support. You can report a malfunction or any other problem with a device or its operation. For other support, please use Request Other Services. You can request support directly on a homepage from the Location, Account, or Installed Product Details page. Unless you create a case from an IP Details page, you will have to first select the installed product you need support for. You can easily find the product by using the various filters: Installed Product Number, Serial Number, Product Name, Customer Inventory Number, and so on. Select the product by simply clicking the reference number in the first column. When you request technical or application support, you will be asked to answer some mandatory safety questions. Please note that the portal does not allow you to request support in situations where a user or patient was harmed. In this case, you will be asked to call us. The next step is to select the priority and type of service. If you want someone other than yourself to be the contact person, you can select another person by clicking the Select a Contact for the Case button. If the phone number in the phone field is correct, just click the Same as Phone checkbox. Otherwise, enter the correct phone number in the Callback Number field. If you need to, you can add up to 3 additional contacts to the case. They will receive email notification about case creation and case closure. In the final step, enter the subject and add the description of the problem. If you need to for troubleshooting purposes, you can use the Patient Health Information field to add any confidential patient information that may help resolve the issue. This information is only visible to authorized Philips employees and will not be visible in the portal. You can add attachments only after you have created the case. Click on the Create Case button. Once the case has been created, you will be directed to the Case Details page. This includes the case number, associated IP, and all details you have given. It's then easy to add attachments, such as pictures of the broken item, so that you can provide more details on your issue whenever you want to. Log files in PDF, JPEG, JPG, or PNG. Also, you can provide additional details and/or request information in the case by adding a case activity. Once you've created the case, all follow-up activities are available in the Case Tracking tab. The interactions are displayed in reverse chronological order. Interaction details can be shown or hidden by clicking the Expand All and Collapse All buttons, as well as clicking on the individual entries. With the Customer Services portal, we are always there, always on, 24/7.